Hi friends, Ben back again. Sorry for the bad lighting, I have to shoot this indoors. But today is about another mod going on to the bike. This is a straight rate spring, fork spring from YSS. Well, I'm not a suspension specialist. I mean, I really have absolutely no idea. I'm as good as any of you guys out there who haven't really meddled with your suspension. And so this is the first time I'm going ahead with swapping out springs and the likes of it. Of course, I've had my fair share of experience with fork preload adjusters, and these guys have come in handy. I've been able to ride faster with these. But then again, ever since my ability to push the motorcycle started improving, I mean, it was improving at an exponential pace, and the bike was not able to keep up with my requirements and my demands. So, dear friend Rajit Cherian suggested that I go in for straight rate springs, and by straight rate springs or linear springs, I mean these fellows. These fellows have coils wound evenly. There's absolutely no progressive winding or spaced apart kind of stuff going on in here. They are equal spaced throughout, so they are called linear springs. And the ones that come as stock springs on the Royal Enfield Himalayan are these fellas. These fellas are closely wound on the top, as you guys can see, and they are dual rate springs. So there's a tightly wound top and a loosely wound bottom, and these guys are universally used now is because they are good for softer bumps. They are good for all sorts of undulations. They are good for all sorts of people who really want their bikes to be as versatile as they get, but they come at a cost. The fact that these guys are really plush when you ride softer stuff, that is mild gravel, mild undulations and so on and so forth, makes it kind of tricky when it gets to harder surface. When you hit harder rocks and when you're continuing to hit rocks, what happens is that your front end starts becoming very stiff, and the cushiony feel goes for a toss because these fellows have a different rate and these fellows have a different rate of compression and rebound. So this is for the softer hits, and this is for the harder hits. And with more of harder hits, what happens is that this suspension kind of becomes really tight, and your front end kind of feels like it's literally banging on metal and metal. And that's not really a good thing when your riding abilities have kind of improved, and you really want to push and be at a higher pace. So when that is the case, you go in for a straight rate spring. Well, that's all there is that I understand about springs and suspension. But we will keep meddling with the front suspension. I'm also going in for what we call as emulators, valve emulators, and so on and so forth. We'll talk about that when we get there. But for now, today's inclusion or today's swap is a simple progressive spring being swapped for a straight rate spring. So the straight rate spring from YSS, I will attach a link in the description. You guys can go and check that out. I will talk about these things once they're on the bike and once I start hitting the roads. But for now, it's just a clean installation sort of a thing. I've made a detailed video on how to go about swapping out fork oil and cleaning the internals of your fork. I will attach a link of that particular video in this video's description. But this is just it. I've dismantled everything. The springs are out. Everything is out. I have cleaned the internals of the tubes with WD-40 and a little bit of petrol. And now all that is left to do is just shove these fellas in. And then you go ahead with a spacer, followed by a long tube spacer, and then followed by my trusty fork preload adjusters from Marsh Auto Tech. I will attach a link of this fella as well. So that's about it. This is just an introduction to what's ahead of us in this channel, and we'll see you guys on another one when I'm testing these springs out. Until then, this is Ben signing out for now. Ciao. Have a good day.